Ford, Knox, and western Baylor counties through 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 8 miles north of Truscott to 4 miles north of Ryland to 7 miles north of Irby. Movement was northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles an hour and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Monday, Crowell, Benjamin, Goree, Red Springs, Margaret, Vera, Truscott, Gilliland, Rhineland, and Beaumartin. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. From the Norman Forecast Office, here's the forecast for Wichita Falls.
Yep, I got my ER50 and the HH54 GP at the moment. Still at school right now. This is for my surrounding counties, this is for my county. And for you, if you're probably wondering, yes, I am in a locker room. I'm in a baseball locker room. Tornado possible, severe thunderstorm warning.
A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Newport, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Newport and Vashti. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Thunderstorm will impact portions of southeastern Clay County through 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Jeez.
At 4:04 p.m. Central Daylight
Alright, we got...
Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 10 miles southwest of Newport, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles an hour and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Hang on, I wonder.
Gusty winds could knock down trees and blow around.
No. Oh, that's another alert. I got a KMOC alert. Tornado warning.
Until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Shoot, that's tornado warning.
At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Newport, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Yikes.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Newport. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, God.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 53, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oklahoma, Cotton and Tillman, and the following counties.
Scamessy.
Cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yikes.